Hey folks! Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to display a lot of information but have limited space to do so? In this tutorial, we are creating a demo for a hotel website where you want to share room details, rates, and services, but you don't want to overwhelm your visitors with too much content at once. Bricks have a feature of the nestable element, and we've added this feature to create an element called a Nestable Flipbox. It creates animated boxes that flip to show information when visitors hover over them. These boxes have two sides, front and back, making it easy for visitors to notice and understand the information. The flexible design allows you to add various elements inside the boxes, making it simple to share a lot of information in a limited space. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and customize the Nestable Flipbox element to impress your visitors. But, before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Search the Flipbox Nestable element in the search bar, then drag and drop it onto your page builder. Then, decide how you want the Flipbox to flip into another box by choosing the animation style. Next, specify the transition duration, box's height, then switch off automatic flipping to focus on designing the front card in editor mode. If needed, toggle on the option to display the back card for designing purposes while in editor mode. Now, remember we will be adding elements in both the front and back boxes, which are located under the Content section of the Nestable Flipbox element. Make sure not to delete these two boxes. Now, navigate to the front box and set the background image. Next, I'm removing all the default elements under the front and back boxes. So now both boxes are empty. Now, let's add the elements within the front box. Click on the front box, and feel free to add any elements as needed. For instance, we will add two blocks to organize them effectively. Inside the block, insert a heading and provide the desired text. Make sure to adjust the settings to ensure the heading displays appropriately. Next, we'll include a div under the block and make it a flex. Within this container, we'll place an icon box to display the various services provided by the hotel. You can adjust them however you like to suit your needs. Now, we've stopped flipping and turned on the option to show the back card. This allows us to properly customize the back box. Click on the back box and add background. Then, you can add any elements just like you do in the front box. Here, we are adding elements like an image gallery. Then, add a block. Inside this, add basic text, heading, and a button. You're free to customize these elements to match your website's design and style preferences. This feature allows you to display extra information interactively. It's useful for presenting more details or supplementary content related to the main information showcased in the front box. So the design is complete. Now, let's take a look at the final overview of Nestable Flipbox. Here's an example of a hotel information demo where we showcase details about the hotel services. When visitors hover over a box, it flips with animation to reveal more information on the backside. On the front side, we show details like how many people can stay in a room, any discount codes, and what services are available. On the back box, we've included an image gallery, a description, price, and other services offered by the hotel in straightforward terms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, try creating your Nestable Flipbox. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos. You can find the documentation and demo page link in the description below.